AI won't replace you, but we're going to see how developers using AI are faring better off than developers who are not. We're going to look at 5 points to show you that using AI is better for your workflow and how you can use AI without depending too much on it. First of all, let's see the advantages of AI. AI bridges the productivity gap. It helps you build way faster. In fact, developers who use AI code 3 times faster than developers who don't use AI. So you should know that you should see AI as not your replacement, but as an assistant, something that can help you focus on logic while it handles repetitive tasks. There are tools that can help you start using AI today if you are not already using. There is GitHub Copilot. It is baked into the most popular um, IDE, which is Visual Studio Code, and it's made by Microsoft. So all you need to do is extension, install the extension for for GitHub Copilot, and you can start using it for free. The first month is completely free. And then if you come across any error you're unable to solve or you don't understand, you can always use ChatGPT to debug your code. And so let us look at a real case scenario to see how much time you can save when you use AI. Let's say you want to build a login form. Now, you could either spend 30 minutes as an experienced developer building that login form, or you could use 8 minutes to complete it with AI. And so the truth is, developers who use AI will replace developers who don't. And so stop fighting AI. Start using it. Follow for daily dev tips that actually work.